Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximi Journals. I hope you're all well, and I'm here today to show you another one of those gorgeous boxes from your creative studio. This one is their December box, and it's a sewing box, and it's great fun. So let me show you inside. First of all, it comes in this lovely box, and covered with this wrapping paper. Well, I save everything, so I'm going to be saving the paper as well, and the sticker. I just like unwrapping things, and keeping their wrappings as well. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of goodies here, and I'll start with this lovely charm, and I love the charms that she adds in her boxes. There's always a charm, and I have collected quite a few. They're really pretty. Oh, it's actually a little sewing machine. So I didn't say that, sorry. And here's another. This is a stamp, and that's another sewing machine, and it's a nice size. So for anybody who wants to do a sewing journal or add it in their journaling, I think it's great fun. And there's a doily, and it's all wrapped up in these pretty little bags, transparent bags, which again I keep because I add them into my journals as pockets. So the doily is really pretty as well. And here I have a washi tape, which is lavender, and it's so gorgeous. I love the lavender on it. Oh, and I've got some scissors here, which are so pretty, lovely decorations on them, and they're quite sharp. So there's a little protection there, a little cap, and they look very sharp. I like them. So I'll be using those. You'll be seeing me use those soon. There's more there. Oh, that's her card, and here I have, these are it's a little memo pad. Well, it's not little, it's quite thick. So there's lots and lots of stickers on it. And, I know I'm going to be using that. So what else have we got? These are some more little stamps. And I find little stamps so cute. As you can see, they've all got this. They're very good. I find her stamps very good. They're very good quality, and they're very easy to wipe and clean, and they're also very pretty. So here I have more stickers for sewing. So yeah, if you have a sewing theme, it's just the ideal packet, or the ideal box. And more papers here. These are little cards for journaling, and I would also use them. I would also sew them on and create pockets with them, because they're thick. They're nice and thick. And here are larger ones, which are also thick. And again, they can be used as little pockets on the journal, on the larger sort of page journals, the A5s. There's another washi here, which is great fun. Another sewing theme. Scissors and all sorts of lovely things for us who love sewing. And these are the papers, more papers. These are really thin ones, fine ones. They're so sweet. Well, with a dark colored pen or fountain pen, one can write clearly onto these papers. They can be folded and used inside a journal, or they can be pages You've got a traveler's notebook, you can create more pages for it. So there are a few ideas for this box, lots of things it can be used for, and some more stickers, and they've got different themes and they can be used for journaling as well. And so those of us who like to journal, there's quite a lot here to use on our pages. And I'm saying us and our because I love journaling as well, and I do use these images in my journals. So there's a bit of a variety here that you can see. I also add them onto the journals I make. So well, yes, have a lovely rest of your day or evening. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye bye.